Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm here with another video to show you guys how you can log into your Select Medical Employee account. First of all, head to the search engine, go to the search bar, and just type in Select Medical Employee Login and hit enter. After doing so, many links will pop up on your screen. Go to the first link that shows up on the screen. After doing so, it will take you to the official site of Select Medical. Here, you can see there is a button to click here to access the alumni portal. Click on it. Now, it will take you to a different site. You need to scroll down in order to log in, or if you are not already logged in, register to Select Medical. Here, click on Login. After clicking on Login, it will take you to a different site where you need to input your username and password in order to sign in. Put your correct username and correct password, and click on Login. Then, you'll be signed in to your Select Medical Employee account. So guys, this is all for this video. If you find our video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to leave a comment for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.